Now today let's start with chapter number 12, transport and communication. We use transport for moving from one place to another. And what is communication? It is the way we express our views and ideas among the different people, right? So, history of transportation. Let's study about the history of transportation. The history of transportation begins from human era to continue to change over a period of time. The first means of transportation was human foot. ठीक है, लोग पहले क्या करते थे, अब पैदल चल चल के एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस जाते थे, उनको बहुत टाइम लगता था, उनको क्या करना था, गुड्स वगैरह अपने बैग पे ही कैरी करना पड़ता था. So first improvement made to this kind of transportation was adapting to different surfaces. So for that, in ancient times, people used animals for this purpose. So even now, people in villages use animals to carry goods from one place to another. Horses, bullocks, elephants, donkeys and camels, they are used as a means of transport. Today we have modern means of transport, and what we do, we use different kinds of vehicle to travel and carry goods from one place to another. So buses, cars, trains, aeroplane, ships, scooters, cycle and boats, they are the different means of transport that we see around. Right? So we cannot use the same means of transport to travel to other places. And the type of transport we use to travel to particular place, it depends upon the various factors. Like these factors include distance we need to travel and the amount of time and money we can spend on our travel. Next is types of transport. We have three types of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Land transport, the vehicle that moves on roads and railway tracks. Like we have scooter, car, trucks. But land transport can be subdivided into two more means, roadways and railways. जैसे मैंने बताया, जो road पे चलता और जो rails पे चलता, like train. Right? Now, roadways. All the states of a country, they are connected to each other by roads and highways. They are well constructed and has different types of vehicles, are used for different distance. Scooter, bikes and auto, they are used for short distances, while जो car, buses and trucks है, they are used for covering long distance. So we have railways. So rail transport is a means of convenience of passengers and goods by the way of wheeled vehicle running on rails. It's also commonly referred to as train transport. In all countries of the world, all major cities are connected with railways. It carries people and bulky goods over long distances. Then we have metro, which is the latest and the improved railway system, which is most comfortable for travel within the city. Then we have water transport, includes boats, ships, steamers and submarines and many. Boats and ships, they are used as a carrier of people and goods. Boats are used for short distances और जो ship है उनका हम use करते हैं to cover a long distance. Submarine is used by the naval forces of the nation. It is mainly used for naval operations during war or rescue operations of sinking ships in the ocean. The mostly remain submerged in water. ज़्यादातर क्या होता है, ये water में ही submerged रहती है. Now air transport, which is the fastest means of transport. सबसे fastest है. Air transport is the second fastest method of transport after space travel. Like we have aeroplanes and helicopters. When we have to go to far of the places, we use the air transport, and aeroplanes carries both people and goods from one place to another or one country to another. We are flying over forests, desert, mountains, and helicopter is also useful in rescue operation. देखो कहीं पे flood आ जाए, earthquake आ जाए तो लोगों को बचाने के लिए, उनको food available करवाने के लिए, medicines ले जाने के लिए हम किसका use करते हैं? Helicopters का. Now modes of communication. Now communication, it is a way of expressing our thoughts and devices used to talk from one to another and from one person to another. Like in modern age, there are many types of means of communication. We have personal means and we have mass communication also. So means of communication, we talk about, we have like newspaper, telephone, mobile, TV, internet, और ये एक important role play करते हैं. So means of communication in ancient age was pigeon. ये क्या करता था? Letters को send करता था. Then we have means of communication in modern age. Letter, they are the most common means of communication. Like we have postcard, inland letters, envelopes and the postage stamp. इनका हम use करते हैं writing letter. Money orders can be used to send money and speed post and courier services. And इससे आप quick और urgent message भी share कर सकते हैं. Now telephones and mobile phones, they are the very small devices. बहुत small device इनका हम use करते हैं to communicate over long distance without word. It works by communicating with the nearby base station which connects it to the main phone network. Telephones are static, whereas mobile phones can be carried anywhere. They help anyone to talk to others anytime and from anywhere. Then we have means of mass communication, जो हम group of people को जिससे हम न्यूज़ बता दें, जैसे न्यूज़पेपर हो गया, मैगजीन हो गया, ये मास कम्युनिकेशन है. न्यूज़पेपर एंड मैगजीन आर प्रिंटेड इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज. दे कैरी न्यूज़ एंड इन्फॉर्मेशन पूरे वर्ल्ड की, कि आपके वर्ल्ड में हर दिन क्या हो रहा है. नाउ रेडियो एंड टेलीविजन, न्यूज़ एंड एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोग्राम, दे आर ब्रॉडकास्टेड. रेडियो कैन यूज ओनली ब्रॉडकास्टिंग ऑडियो, वेयर एज द टेलीविजन है वो ब्रॉडकास्ट करता है दोनों, ऑडियो को भी और वीडियो को भी. Then we have internet. It is a global computer network. It's provide variety of information and communication facilities, consisting of interconnected network. And what they use, extreme standardized communication protocols का ये use करते हैं. ये बहुत ज़्यादा cheap होते हैं and reliable means है for employment. We can surf for any information on the internet and we can send any message through email or social application. जैसे आपकी WhatsApp हो गई, Skype हो गई, in few seconds. Then we have artificial satellite, have made communication easier and faster. They pick up television signal from one part of the world and send them to the another part. Right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.